to eat papaya. If you eat papaya, someone will take it away from you, and then it's gonna be your fault.
Everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
We are in beautiful Medellin, Colombia.
Yeah, this is our second day here in Medellin, and we are. What are we doing today?
We're doing a free walking tour.
Yes.
So the first stop is Starbucks, because we realized that a lot of places here don't open that early, but Starbucks will be open.
Yeah, and our hostel doesn't have breakfast, so we're gonna go to Starbucks, have some coffee, something to eat, and then head on over to the train station where the meeting point is for the walking tour.
Yep.
Yeah, so that's the plan for today.
That's the first stop. Yep. And then we'll see what the rest of the day takes us.
Yes. You were about to.
I don't want to say what's gonna happen because then
it never happens.
It never happens. We have to edit it out.
Yeah. So we went to bed early yesterday. We're kind of tired. I don't know. It's like I think everything's kind of catching up to us, and there wasn't any organized activities going on at the hostel, so.
And everyone at the hostel is kind of like chilling and watching TV. So
yeah. So we're like, you know, we could take this time to just rest a little bit, and because we still have a lot more ahead of us.
Yeah.
So.
And the neighborhood we went to yesterday was really cute. It was really nice. It had a bunch of bars and a big park, and it was nice.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, let's see what else Medellin has to offer.
Okay, we found this cute little coffee shop. We're on the way to Starbucks. We saw this cute coffee shop, so we stopped. It's called Coffee Time. Or Al Alma. I don't know. One says Coffee Time, one says Al Alma. Let's go Al Alma. And yeah, they have like lunch and breakfast, and actually like real breakfast, not like a little muffin. And they have mimosas and coffee with like Baileys and Jameson. So. And it's right by our hostel, like right around the corner, so it's a good spot.
Let's start officially with the tour. I want to know quickly, where are you coming from?